everyone, welcome to 3 minutes SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the rectangle and spline tools. So let's start. First we need to select a plane. So select front plane, make it normal. Then select rectangle. This is called center rectangle. So we need to first select the center and give the dimension. And okay. So we need to add the dimension first. For the dimension we have a tricks. So this tricks is click right click and drag to up, right click and drag to up. This is a smart dimension. So select it and give the dimension. So select edge, then give the dimension. This is the black, this means this is fully defined. Okay, we have another type of rectangle. This is corner rectangle and also 3-point corner rectangle. For corner rectangle we need to select two corners. So like this first corner and this second corner. This is corner rectangle. Also there are another type of rectangle, most used another type of rectangle. This is the 3-point corner rectangle. So for this we need to select 3 point. So first point, then second point, and then third point. The third point we need to just give the distance. There are many other types of rectangle, but normally they don't use in general case. Now we are going to learn about the spline tools. So make it clear. So trim entities, make it clear. For spline there are normally two most used is the first one is spline and second one is this style spline. For the spline, select spline, we need to select a first point here, then select another point, then make it spline like as your need. This is spline. We can change the shape from here. Just drag, this will change the shape. Also we can change the shape by this. We can reduce this, we can enlarge this, we can also rotate this. Okay, we'll see the use of spline in upcoming videos. So we can see now the another type of spline. This is the style spline. For this we need to select some points like this one and this one. This is the spline generated. The spline is based on these lines. You can see this is perfect shaped spline. We can also change the shape of the spline by selecting this by in this video we are also learning about the offset entities. So make it clear, and for this offset entities we need a reference entities. So click the offset entities and select a reference entities. So you can see there are generated a offset. You can also enlarge this offset by 10 millimeter. Okay, you can see there are 10 millimeter offset generated. We can also reverse this by click here. Okay, let's learn another tools. This is sketch plate. For this sketch plate we need two edges or a corner. First select this plate and select two edges, first one, second one. You can see there are a plate generated. We can also enlarge this plate by 20 millimeter. Okay, Also we can use just a corner, not these two edges, just a corner, it also generated. So you can see the preview. That's all about the rectangle, spline, set entities and the sketch plate. So in next video we will learn about the text. You can see here is text. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for the next update.